The Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to get a new design makeover. Yes, you heard it right. After the unpacked event of the Galaxy, Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, attention is shifting to the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. According to Ice Universe, a reputable source known for accurate leaks, the top model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, will feature a significant design change. Samsung has finalized the designs for the entire Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will stand out with its asymmetric frame design, aimed at improving grip. The rear panel will have a more rounded side frame for easier one-handed use, while the front frame will remain flat. This new design could give the frame a narrower appearance, although the exact method is unclear. Despite these changes, the overall width of the Galaxy S25 Ultra will remain the same as its predecessor, with a narrower side frame. This development aligns with earlier rumors about design improvements. Recent reports suggested that Samsung would enhance the grip of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which, with its large 6.8-inch screen and sharp corners, felt less comfortable than other similarly sized smartphones. The asymmetric bezel design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is an exciting innovation, promising to improve grip and ease of use. This design demonstrates Samsung's commitment to enhancing user experience through thoughtful changes. The rounded rear panel side frame will fit better in the hand, reducing the discomfort associated with the sharp corners of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, particularly important for a phone with a large screen. While the rear panel will be more rounded, the front frame will stay flat, potentially contributing to a sleeker look and feel. Even with a narrower side frame, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's overall width will remain unchanged, balancing device size with improved grip. This narrower frame might also make the phone appear more elegant and refined. Samsung's adoption of an asymmetric bezel design for the Galaxy S25 Ultra highlights its focus on user-friendly design. Users can anticipate a phone that not only looks good, but also feels good to hold. The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises significant design changes that will enhance grip and usability, combining style with functionality. Another leak surfaced online courtesy of the Bureau of Indian Standards. The leaked document revealed new details about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Although the launch is still 6 months away, the Indian government agency has certified 2 batteries for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, identified by certification numbers EBBS 938 ABE and EBBS 938 ABY. Other details remain scarce. Samsung has a history of using multiple suppliers for its batteries, and these 2 model numbers likely indicate different suppliers, similar to the approach taken with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 5,000 mAh battery, with Samsung likely continuing to refine its One UI software to improve battery life further. As for the specifications, according to a leaker Sperandio Fortech, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could get a new version of the 1x2.76-inch JN1 sensor. Meanwhile, the 3x telephoto lens could get a new 1x3-inch ISOCELL sensor. These upgrades would be combined with the previously mentioned resolution upgrades to 50 megapixels for both lenses. Moving on to the display, Samsung has been working on next-generation 6.9-inch OLED displays that would allow fingerprint scanning anywhere on the screen, as well as open up the ability to scan multiple fingerprints simultaneously. According to reports, every Galaxy S25 phone, regardless of location, would have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This is reportedly due to Samsung's manufacturing issues with the supposed Exynos 2500 chipset. In conclusion, the decision to use an asymmetric bezel design shows Samsung's commitment to innovation. By addressing user feedback and improving device grip, the company aims to enhance the overall user experience. As anticipation builds for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it will be interesting to see how this new design approach is received by users. So what are your thoughts on these recent developments? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.